So I've been looking online to look for the non-forever chemical type things, pans and etc. And I just discovered that in IKEA they actually sell this saute pan with a lid for $125. It's got a nice copper finish in here, and it's stainless steel, and it looks like it's pretty good quality. Very tempted to buy one. They also come in the saute pan, which is the same thing but without the copper. So I suppose the copper is just looks better, I guess. This one actually comes with a lid as well. It's really tempting to buy. I'm really tempted to buy this. There's also stainless steel frying pan here, which is $69. And here's another one, the Sensuel 28 centimeter one, which looks like a better size for cooking. It's quite heavy, and it's apparently got a very thick base as well, and the induction cookware. This is the stuff that I'm trying to avoid. And they even sell cast iron here in IKEA, the Bardegen 28 centimeter, and yeah, that feels like cast iron is quite heavy, and it's $39. I bought one from Amazon, which is about the same size, for about $50 something. So this actually looks like really good value, and I had no idea that IKEA actually have this range. So at this point I'm thinking of getting the Sensuel 28 centimeter, this one here, because I think the size is good. $69 seems like a reasonably good price, and it's got a lid somewhere. I'm guessing we need a 28 centimeter lid, which would be either 32, 24, and hopefully there's a 28 centimeter lid that would work well. I've got some lids at home if they don't have it here. Can't find it here. So the alternative would be get this for $29. This feels a lot lighter. I don't know whether it's worth paying the extra, because this is 24 centimeter and it's quite deep. I can imagine cooking with this. It's kind of a nice size as well. It's a lot lighter. Apparently the thicker base means that it's going to be less sticky, but I don't really understand how that works. And then there's this kind of $125 fancy looking one, although I don't think it's really worth the money. Why would you pay that much more? So easy to polish, tarnish or stain copper with a mixture of vinegar. Okay, so it just means you have to clean it. This is exactly the same product for $29. Okay, there we go. So yeah, so there's a huge range here in IKEA of non-forever chemical cookware.